Hello there, I'm Joseph David. Ever wonder why people choose to give up or some choose death when issues get too much to handle? A pastor I listened to, who I consider spiritual mentor, said that your emotions are a reflection of your thoughts. And so I want to start today with an example of myself. For the longest, I struggled in all forms of relationships, starting from family to friends to school to the job market. And now most of us have grown up in families where tough love is the only love that you can get. And maybe because our families, relatives, and friends were fighting their own personal battles, that's ending up reflecting their feelings to us or projecting their feelings to us. And so growing up, I fell in and out of relationships, and at some point I started feeling maybe I don't deserve love, and maybe I don't matter, and I gave up. I chose to expect less and less from people because I believe that people will always disappoint and hurt you. And as long as I thought this way, I could not experience love, leave alone loving myself, even if love came looking for me. Listening to my mentor teach, I started to learn more and more about the battle of the mind. And I discovered that the mind is the battle arena where you can win or lose against any form of oppression. Talk of depression, talk of anxiety, talk of stress, talk of disease, and such. And so I started to replace my bad thoughts and habits with positive and healthy ones, and majorly the Word of God. And this is how I'm winning the battle against depression. Most of the times we are more focused on the final destination that we forget to celebrate the small wins and the details in life that build our morality and character, causing a shift in our minds to focus on things that destroy us and make us forget that God kept us, that He never left, and so we give up. I'm here so that you can go to the war room with what it takes to win the battle. And so I want to encourage you today to start thinking about what you are thinking about, and you will start experiencing victory in your mind and in your life. Thank you very much. Stay tuned for more. Next time on Hope Generation, I will be explaining further on how I'm coping with depression and how I can help you cope with the same.